SBET stock analysis and SBET stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to break down exactly how I'm going to play this, what are my levels, update, and all that good stuff. Look, I'm the only guy in this space that has actually done 40,000 videos and documented them all. They're under my belt, 5 years under my belt. So I've seen what's making me money and what's making me money and what's not. Sharplink Gaming Incorporated. I'm not going to sit here and lie. Clearly, it was in a supply zone, and I was like, if I see the shift, I'm looking to take a sell side. Never saw that shift. Actually, the next day, freaking 4x, like 433% up. I'm here to tell you that when the price does something along these lines, all I'm looking to do is just double down, right? Meaning, look to get involved and buy more. Not for like whatever the long term or whatever. No, I mean, I'm talking like a short little scalp, right? Intraday trade, meaning if the price does pull down a bit and gives me some sort of a double break, then I'm still gonna, God forbid, you know, like not sell, but obviously buy as long as the rules are met. And that's going to be like a 5-minute thing or 1 minute confirmation. Doesn't matter, but as long as the rules are met, I'm moving forward. You can see post market, it's kind of coming down. Again, it would all depend where the market open is going to be at. So no sweat. I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to learn how making 5 to 10K per month trading with indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free email.